Hello dear student, this is Deep Narayan Singh. I hope all of you are doing very well. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss questions based on confusion matrix and how to calculate different parameters like you have precision, recall, accuracy and F1 score, and the values are given inside the table in different ways in the numerical questions. If you see this complete video, I can assure you that you will definitely get one question in your board exam from this topic. Okay guys, so let us move to that questions itself. This is our first question. Let me select the pen. Let us say we are using an AI model to predict if there will be a delay in production in a factory. So guys, किसी फैक्ट्री में के लिए हमने एक एआई प्रोडिक्शन मॉडल बनाया है और उसमें हम चेक करना चाहते हैं कि उस फैक्ट्री में डिले है कि नहीं. टू अंडरस्टैंड द इफिशियंसी ऑफ दिस मॉडल, जो मॉडल एआई मॉडल हमने बनाया है डिले कैलकुलेट करने का, उसकी इफिशियंसी समझने के लिए वी नीड टू चेक इफ द प्रिडिक्शन विच इट मेक्स आर करेक्ट और नॉट. हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, चेक करना पड़ेगा कि जो हमारा मॉडल एआई मॉडल है वो जो प्रिडिक्शन दे रहा है वो करेक्ट है कि नहीं. Thus, there exist two conditions which we need to ponder, like prediction and reality. So we know already the output of an AI model is what? Prediction. And reality is what? We observe after getting the actual result. Here is the sample data for the outcome. Like TP means what? True positive. TN means what? True negative. FP means what? False positive. FN means what? False negative. So we already know about confusion matrix, how to write the confusion matrix. There is I told you in previous videos, if you have not watched, go and check out on my channel. There is one video regarding the confusion matrix. So we will write reality here, okay, and we will write prediction here. I will write PRE only for prediction, and we will take the value of prediction no and yes, and same way for value of reality is what? First no and then we will take yes. So when prediction and reality matches, so first word will be what? True. And if the prediction value is negative, so since next word will be what? Negative. Okay, and then you have again here reality is yes and prediction is no. So they both are not matching, so first word is false and next word is depending on the prediction value, that is no, so next word will be negative. Then you have what? Reality is no, prediction is yes, both are not matching, that's why the first word will be false and the next word will depend on the prediction value. So the value of prediction is what? Yes. So what you have the next word? That is false positive. Then you have a next entry where your prediction is also yes and reality is also yes. So what you are having here, you are going to have here true and value of prediction is yes, so you will have true positive. Okay, so this is about like confusion matrix. If you are not able to understand what I am saying here, just go and check out the video on my channel about the confusion matrix. So we have the values of all the parameter. True positive 120 है, true negative 85 है, false positive 62 है, and false negative कितने हैं? 70. Consider all the possible situation, make a confusion matrix for which the above situation, also calculate accuracy and F1 score. Okay, fine. So we will try to write the formula and calculate accuracy and F1 score. To calculate the F1 score, we know F1 score depends on recall and precision. So we need to calculate what? Recall and precision also. Let us see the answer. To calculate F1 score and accuracy, we first need to calculate the precision and recall, because precision and recall values are used for calculating the F1 score. This is first precision. So precision what? TP upon TP plus FP. So if you are facing difficulty in calculating this formula or remembering this formula, I told you the denominator for precision is what? The last row. Okay, this one. So you will have FP here and TP here. So that will come in the denominator, and numerator is what? Numerator is TP for both precision and recall. So we have taken here TP by TP plus FP equal to, then we put the values of TP and FP from the table given. So how many times it is going to give us true positive? 120. By 120 plus, how many times it is going to give false positive? So 120 plus 62. And if you calculate this value, you are going to get what? 0.65. So the value of precision is what? 0.65. If you want to calculate it in percentage, multiply it with 100 and you will get 65%. So I have not calculated value here in percentage. Let us go and find out the value of recall. So again, for recall, the formula is denominator is last column. So these two things will come in the denominator and numerator will be TP. So what is the formula? TP by, you have TP plus Fn. And there we go. We have all the values available with us. So TP by TP plus Fn. So the value will be substituted from the table 120 by 120 plus 70. And if you calculate this whole expression, what you are going to get? 0.63. The calculation is little bit difficult, but if you write up to here also, you will get the complete mark. I hope so. 0.63, that is actual value. If you want it in percentage, it will be 63%. Once you got the precision and recall, next is to calculate the F1 score. So F1 score is what? 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. So if I write here the formula, 2 into precision multiplied by recall, okay, upon precision plus recall. The point to remember here is what? The multiplication sign is in numerator and addition sign is in denominator. So that is the formula, and then you will write 2 into 0.65 multiplied by 0.63 upon 0.65 plus 0.63, and that is going to give you the value is equal to 0.64. So this is the final value for your F1 score. And for accuracy, the formula is, in numerator you want to have TP plus TN. So these two combination will be in numerator, and denominator you will have all the cases. So you will have TP, you will have TN, you will have FP and also Fn. So these are the all the cases for your AI model. So this is the formula of accuracy. And how will you know what should come in the denominator? The principal diagonal of this confusion matrix. If you see here, TN and TP both are going to come in your numerator. Let us see the answer here. So here you have what? TP plus TN upon TP plus TN plus FP plus Fn. Now substitute the values from the given table in the question itself. 120 plus 85 upon 120 plus 85 plus 62 plus 70. So the final answer you will get what? 0.56. Again, it is not in percentage. If you want to convert it in percentage, just multiply with 100 and you will get what? 56%. So this is the answer of the first question. Very simple question. If you just go through this video, I have two more example like this. You will definitely are able to solve that question in the final board exam paper. Let us see the next question. Very good question. What should be the value of F1 score if the model needs to have the 100% accuracy? The model will have an F1 score. Okay, this is what the answer is. If it is the 100% accuracy, what is the value of F1 score? So what does it mean? If your AI model will have 100% accuracy. Okay, so this is 100% accuracy. That means for all the prediction, the value of reality is same. So the prediction will always be equal to what? Reality. Okay, they both are same always. So in what cases they both are same? They are same here. Like you see, in this case, no prediction value and reality value is also no. So for this particular place, if you see here, okay, if you see in this particular case, you will have both prediction and reality same. So this is the case where you have the accuracy. Okay, and there also you have the accuracy because the value of reality is yes and prediction is also yes. So they both are actually only the cases that are going to come in your output. Okay, remaining all are, there is no case where reality and prediction different. So these type of cases will not occur in our example. These type of cases will not occur in our example. Let us see the formulas for precision and recall. Why? Because we want to calculate F1 score, and F1 score will depend on what? Precision and recall. So first I write the precision. Precision, what I told you, in precision, what will come in denominator? The last row. And the numerator will always be what? TP. So TP upon what I have? FP plus TP. So TP plus FP I will write here. And these both are false positive and true positive in the denominator. And what is the formula for recall? For formula of recall, we know the column which come in the denominator is last column. So this is the column that is going to come in denominator. So I will write denominator first. What I have here? TP plus Fn. Okay, and numerator will always be TP. Now we know that the accuracy is 100%. So the value of FP and the cases of false positive is 0 and cases for false negative is also 0. Let us put the value due to why this is so, because the accuracy is what? 100%. Means there is only cases when this condition satisfies. Prediction is equal to accuracy only. Now we put these values inside these formulas. So what I should have here? TP upon TP plus FP value is 0, and that is going to convert in TP by TP, and TP by TP will be equal to 1. The same case will happen with the recall also. Here you have TP plus Fn is 0. Then you have what? TP by TP, and that is equal to what? 1. So what is the scenario now? We have precision. Okay, precision which is equal to recall, and both are 1. Okay, so this I get out of the statement given in the question where you have the accuracy like 100%. Okay, now you write the formula for F1 score. So what is the formula for F1 score? F1 score formula is 2 into precision into recall. Okay, and in the denominator you have precision plus recall. So here you substitute the value of precision and recall. 2 into 1 into 1 upon 1 plus 1, that again will become 2 by 2, and that is equal to 1. The final value for F1 score will be what? 1 if you have the 100% accuracy. What it says in answer, the model will have F1 score of 1 if it has 100% accuracy. Okay, so this is the answer for question number 2. Very wonderful question, and such type of questions are little bit tricky, but if you think your concept is clear, definitely you are going to get them. Let us see the question number 3. Traffic jam have become a common part of our life nowadays. Living in an urban area, you must face traffic each time you get out of the road. Mostly school students opt for buses to go to school. Many times the buses get late, due to which jams students are not able to reach their school on time. Thus an AI model created to predict explicitly if there would be a traffic jam on their way to school or not. So they have made a AI model जो कि ये बताएगा कि स्कूल जाते समय ट्रैफिक जैम होगा कि नहीं. द कन्फ्यूजन मैट्रिक्स फॉर द सेम इज गिवन बिलो. Explain the process of calculating F1 score for a given problem. We have here confusion matrix. So if you remember, this 1 is equivalent to yes, and actual is equivalent to reality. okay, and prediction is written same, and 0 is equivalent to no. So again prediction is, here it is yes, here it is what, no. So what are these cases? Yes, yes means first word is true, and prediction is yes, so second word is what, positive. And here you have reality and prediction different, yes and no, 0 and 1, so first word will be false, and prediction is yes, so second word is what, positive. Then again in reality it is 1 and prediction is 0, both are not same, so first word will be false. And then next is what, next word will depend on prediction value, which is 0, that is no, so that means it is negative. Again we have here reality and prediction both are same, so first word will be true, but prediction value is 0, so that's why second word will be what, negative. Now once we know that the values are given will be for TP, FP, FN and TN, and we wrote it correctly, from where we are writing these, from the information of confusion matrix, how it is made. So you need to check out that confusion matrix video from my channel. Definitely in first 5 to 10 minutes it is very clear how to create a confusion matrix. Okay, let's go and see the answer. So in order to calculate the F1 score, we need to calculate precision and recall. Okay, fine. So we are going to create precision, and the formula for precision is what, TP by TP plus FP. Remember that for precision it is P and P. So in denominator you will write FP and substitute the value. So TP is what, 50 plus FP is what, that is also 50, and in numerator you will have 50. So what is the value of precision? 0.5. If you want it in percentage, that will be 50%. Multiply it with 100. Next is what, calculate the recall. TP plus TP by TP plus FN, that is true positive by true positive plus false negative. So false negative value is what, 0. So we have substituted these values, and recall will be what, 1. That will be 100% recall. If you multiply it with 100, it will be in percentage. Let us calculate the F1 score, and F1 score is what, 2 into precision into recall by precision plus recall. So substitute the value here, 2 into 0.5 multiplied by 1.0 and then 0.5 plus 1.0. It will be 0.67. Okay, so if the calculation is quite difficult for you, don't worry about it. Go up to this point very correct. And last answer may have a difference, but you may get full marks there. Okay, 67%. Fine. If you multiply it with 100, it will be converted into the percentage. So therefore the F1 score is 0.67 for the given value of TP, FP, FN and TN. Okay, so this is our third question. Let us go for the question number 4. An online electronic company has adapted an AI model that predicts if newly released smartphone will be popular during the festive season or not. During testing, AI model made following predictions. Again, you have some values associated with the confusion matrix. You need to find out what are the values. So you will have here what? Yes. Here you will have no, because 0 is equivalent to no. Again you have yes and no. And what are yes, yes? So first word is what? True. We need to see this prediction and okay, row and column for that particular cell. So first word is what? True. And as prediction value is yes, so the second word will be what? Positive. Again you have for the second column, second cell, column actual or reality value is what? No, and prediction is yes. So both are not same. First will be false and last value will depend on the prediction. So prediction is yes. This is what? Positive. Again you have actual, reality is 1 and prediction is 0. So both are not same. First word will be false and second word will depend on prediction value, that is no. So it will be what? Negative. Again you have here actual as 0 and reality is 0 and prediction is also 0. So both are same, true, and prediction is 0, that is no. So second word will be what? Negative. Once we know that these are the values for TP, TN, FP, FN, then we see the question, calculate accuracy for this model. So what is the formula for accuracy? Numerator will have principal diagonal. The accuracy formula is TP plus TN upon all the cases. So that will be TP plus TN plus FP plus FN. Okay, so this is the formula, and substitute the value in it. So you are going to substitute value from the table. TP is 510 plus 230, and the same way you will substitute all the values of TP, TN, FP, FN, and if you calculate the value, the accuracy will be like 0.925. Okay, and if you want it in percentage, multiply it with 100, so 92.5% will be the answer. Let us go for the next. Which metric is important out of precision and recall or F1 score? So let us see the answer. The importance of precision or recall or F1 score will depend on the specific problem and application. For example, in fraud detection, both false positive flagging of a non-fraudulent transaction as a fraudulent. Now this word fraudulent means the transaction which is not correct or having some issue in that. Okay, so if your system is saying a good transaction or a perfect or legal transaction as fraudulent, okay, then there is a problem, because you need to check it out. And false negative, missing or fraudulent transaction also are also costly, because that might be transaction associated with terrorism or drugs. So in that case, F1 score is the most important matrix, because it creates balance between precision and recall. Remember that in precision, what is the formula? TP upon TP plus FP. So it takes into account what? False positive cases. And for recall, the formula is what? TP upon TP plus FN. It takes false negative cases into account. So where you have the high cost associated with false negative, you go for the recall. Where you have high cost associated with the false positive cases, go for the precision. If both are important for you, go for F1 score. I hope it is clear. Okay, fine. Let us move to the next question. And this question says, an online electronic company has adopted an AI model that predicts if a newly released smartphone will be popular during the festive season or not. Okay, of AI model made the following prediction. Same way, you need to see the values like 1 here and 1 here, both are same. So first word will be what? True. And for prediction it is 1, like it is yes, so second word will be positive. Here actual and prediction both are not same, so first word will be false, and the next word will depend on the prediction value. As it is 1 which is equal to yes, so you will write positive. Okay, here you have again false and prediction value is 0, so negative. Why false? Because actual and prediction are not matching for this particular cell. And you see here actual is 0 and prediction is 0, both are equal, so you will have first word as true, and as prediction value is 0, so you have second word as negative. Now you have questions here, how many total cases have been performed in the above scenario? So if I sum all these cases, then I will find total number of cases performed, like TP, TN, FP, FN. So total number of cases are 100. Then we need to calculate the precision recall and F1 score. Note, for calculating precision recall and F1 score, we need not to multiply the formula by 100, as these parameters need to range from 0 to 1. So before calculation, we are not going to multiply it with 100. But after calculation, if you want result to show in percentage, you can multiply it with 100. Let us see first precision. The formula will be same, TP upon TP plus FP. So that is going to 60 by 60 plus 25, and you will get the value as 0.75. You will have recall, and precision will have in denominator FP, recall will have in denominator what? FN. तो प्रिसीजन के पास क्या है बेटा? फॉल्स पॉजिटिव केसेस को वो कंसिडर करता है. रिकॉल जो है वो किसको कंसिडर करता है? फॉल्स नेगेटिव केसेस को. आपने एक बार प्रिसीजन और रिकॉल की वैल्यूज को कैलकुलेट कर लिया. नेक्स्ट जॉब इज टू कैलकुलेट व्हाट? F1 स्कोर. द फॉर्मूला फॉर F1 स्कोर इज सेम, 2 into precision multiplied by recall upon precision plus recall. So put the values in this formula and you will get the answer. So 2 multiplied by 0.7 multiplied by 0.92, and in denominator you have what? Precision plus recall. Multiplication sign you have in numerator, addition sign you will have in denominator. The final value will be what? 0.79. So in last, our golden word, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. So guys, thank you very much for patient listening. Please do like, share, and subscribe this channel if it is helping in your studies. Have a nice day.